Hi, this is Mr. Haig, and today I'm going to show you how to do quick and easy cubes. First of all, I'm going to show you the one that I've done here, and we have a series of lines which can look rather confusing, but I'm going to break these down and explain how they actually help us to create a cube. So, moving on to my blank paper here, I'm going to show you initially what you need to do, which is a square. We can all give that a go, and you can practice doing a square. Like so. Key is also to make sure you're doing it very lightly. If you do it lightly, you can always rub out. It's not important if you have to rub out. We all have to do that. I have to do that all the time. The next thing to do is something quite strange, really, if you're not used to doing it. We're going to do a line going across here. And you might wonder what that is. Well, that's actually going to be the back of the cube. You then can measure with a ruler if you like. I'm going to judge this myself because I've done it a million times, but you can measure this and then measure the same distance up the cube. So I'm going to judge this here. So that line's going to be about there going across. So you create what's called two parallel lines here and here. All right. Try and make sure that they're straight. If you want to make sure they're straight, you need to make sure there's an even gap between the left section and the right section here. So measure that until you've got it right and redraw it if need be. Next stage is you're going to do a vertical, which is a line going up. You do that about here. So you might be a little bit confused what's going to happen next. Well, it will make sense now because we're going to start joining what these are called construction lines. We're going to join them together. So I'm going to draw a line going into that corner there and into that corner there, and then you can start to see the cube being formed. Once you're confident that that's right, you can darken off your lines should you wish. This is the tricky bit. This is where people often go wrong, and I'll show you how people go wrong. They often put a line going up like this. If you look at that, that doesn't look quite right if it's an actual cube. So I'm going to rub that out and explain what you need to do. We're going to turn our paper around like this. So this becomes vertical. This line here becomes vertical. Okay? That's going to help us make sure that the line that I'm going to fill in now here is also vertical with this line because they need to be the same angle. So then I'm going to draw a line like so. And as you can see, that's also going vertical. And I move that back, and then you have a quick and easy cube. You can do this at any point. If you need to quickly sketch, if you're out and about and you need to sketch a cube, this is the best and easiest way to do it without needing lots of equipment or graph paper, etc. Okay, thank you.